then I equal to Q upon T equal to E N A V D. So current can be related with drift speed h per according to this formula. Now let's see current density. We now define the concept of current density, a vector quantity that points in the direction of the electric field. Its magnitude is defined as the current per unit cross section area normal to the direction of electric field. In the figure a small area delta A is perpendicular to the electric field E, or the flow of positive charge. If delta T be the current, if delta I be the current through this area delta A, then the average current density is J equal to delta I upon delta A. If the current I is uniformly distributed over an area A and is perpendicular to it, then J equal to I upon A. In the figure B, the area delta A is not perpendicular to the current, the flow positive charge. If the normal to the area delta A makes an angle theta with the direction of the current, then the current density is J equal to delta I upon delta A cos theta, or delta I equal to J delta A cos theta if delta A be the area vector corresponding to delta A, then delta I equal to J delta A, or I equal to integration J dot dA. Now let's see the relation between current density and drift speed. We have already derived that the current I equal to NEA VD, hence J equal to I upon A equal to NEVD. So in this way, current and current density can be defined.